Today we are going to learn about procedural content generation with AI. We will explore how AI is transforming content creation in gaming, understand the benefits of procedural generation, and learn techniques to integrate AI with procedural algorithms. Welcome to our video on procedural content generation with AI. In this session, we will uncover how AI is revolutionizing the way games are developed by automating the creation of vast and diverse game worlds. Procedural content generation, or PCG, is a method that uses algorithms to create data automatically, and when combined with AI, it transforms how developers approach content creation. This approach not only saves time but also enhances creativity, offering players unique experiences every time they play. Stay tuned as we dive deep into the techniques, tools, and case studies illustrating AI-driven procedural generation. Procedural content generation, or PCG, is a fascinating approach that uses algorithms to create game content dynamically. Its roots trace back to early gaming history when developers needed to maximize limited storage capabilities. Today, PCG is crucial in creating expansive game worlds without the labor-intensive manual input. Unlike traditional methods that require extensive human effort, PCG allows for the procedural creation of landscapes, levels, and even storylines. It integrates randomness and rule-based logic, ensuring each iteration is unique yet coherent. This content generation technique significantly impacts game development, offering scalability and replayability crucial for modern gaming experiences. Artificial intelligence plays a pivotal role in automating procedural content generation, elevating it beyond traditional capabilities. By leveraging AI, developers can automate complex tasks, such as terrain generation, character design, and narrative creation. This automation not only speeds up the development process but also enhances the creativity and diversity of the game content. AI techniques, like neural networks and genetic algorithms, allow for adaptive content that responds to player actions and preferences. This dynamic interaction creates a personalized gaming experience, keeping players engaged and offering continuous novelty. Moreover, AI-driven PCG significantly reduces development timelines, enabling smaller teams to produce large-scale games. Integrating AI with procedural algorithms is at the heart of modern content generation. Techniques like Perlin noise and L systems are common in PCG, but when enhanced with AI, they can generate more intricate and adaptive content. Machine learning models can analyze player data to tailor experiences, while AI-driven procedural algorithms can generate terrains and architectures that adapt in real time to gameplay. One popular technique is using genetic algorithms to evolve content based on player interaction, ensuring each playthrough is unique. This integration not only improves the aesthetic quality of game environments but also enhances player engagement by offering tailored experiences. Several games have successfully implemented AI-driven procedural content generation, setting new standards in the gaming industry. One notable example is No Man's Sky, which uses AI to generate an entire universe with unique planets, ecosystems, and creatures. The game showcases how AI can create vast, explorable environments that keep players engaged. Another success story is Minecraft, where procedural algorithms and AI create diverse worlds that foster creativity and exploration. These games illustrate the immense potential of AI in enhancing player experiences, offering personalized and dynamic worlds that evolve with player actions. The success of these titles highlights the importance of balancing AI-driven content with player engagement and creativity. To effectively implement procedural content generation, developers rely on various tools and frameworks. Unity and Unreal Engine offer robust support for PCG, with plugins and extensions that facilitate AI integration. Houdini is another powerful tool, widely used for procedural modeling and animation. When choosing tools, developers should consider the complexity of their projects, the learning curve, and the level of AI integration required. Some frameworks, like TensorFlow and PyTorch, support AI-driven procedural algorithms, enabling more advanced content generation. Using these tools, developers can streamline the creation process, improve content quality, and ensure seamless AI integration, ultimately enhancing the player experience. While randomness is a core component of procedural content generation, achieving the right balance is crucial for maintaining player engagement. Too much randomness can lead to disjointed experiences, while too little can result in predictability. One technique to achieve balance is using rule-based systems that provide structure, ensuring generated content aligns with the game's narrative and design principles. Player feedback mechanisms, such as adaptive difficulty and personalized content recommendations, can also enhance engagement by tailoring experiences to individual preferences. Games like Rogue Legacy successfully balance randomness and engagement, offering varied yet coherent experiences that keep players coming back for more. Despite its many advantages, AI-driven procedural content generation presents several challenges. Technical limitations, such as processing power and algorithmic complexity, can hinder the development process. Balancing AI capabilities with human creativity is crucial to ensuring the generated content is both innovative and coherent. Maintaining quality and consistency across procedurally generated assets can also be challenging, requiring rigorous testing and validation. Additionally, ethical considerations, such as ensuring AI-generated content aligns with cultural and social norms, must be addressed. Overcoming these challenges requires a collaborative approach, combining technical expertise with creative vision to harness the full potential of AI in procedural content generation. The future of procedural content generation with AI is full of exciting possibilities. Emerging trends, such as the use of AI to generate photorealistic environments and intelligent NPCs, are set to transform the gaming landscape. Advances in AI, including deep learning and reinforcement learning, will enable more sophisticated content generation, offering players increasingly immersive and adaptive experiences. Future applications may extend beyond gaming, influencing fields like virtual reality, architecture, and digital art. As AI continues to evolve, its integration with procedural content generation will drive innovation, offering new opportunities for creativity and engagement in the digital world. In conclusion, AI-driven procedural content generation represents a significant advancement in the gaming industry, offering vast potential for creativity and engagement. By automating complex tasks and integrating with procedural algorithms, AI empowers developers to create dynamic, personalized game worlds that captivate players. As we look to the future, the continued evolution of AI will drive further innovation in procedural content generation, opening new avenues for exploration and creativity. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of AI and procedural content. We encourage you to continue exploring this exciting field and discover the endless possibilities it offers for game development and beyond.